Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I'm doing a quick look at the Odoland camping kettle kit. So this is a pretty cool product. It's a kettle. It also is going to be a great way to make coffee and tea. You can also heat other liquids if you need it. So if you're just doing rehydrated meals, this could be a good way if you have a bowl and you don't want to carry a full stove. But let's get into this thing. So what it comes with is it comes with the kettle itself. It also comes with a 300 milliliter mug and a strainer. So looking at the pot itself, little handle here, locks into place kind of at the top. It has a spout protector right there. So this is 1.2 liters. It's got a lid, and it also has a little thing, stay cool handle, so you can grab it and not burn yourself. Getting into it deeper, we have the 300 milliliter mug. So it's got the cool handles, so you don't burn yourself with a silicone coating. So you just pour it like that if you just need the water. But it comes with this strainer right there. So as long as you've got ground coffee beans or whatever you make your tea with, you can use that. So to this, it has these little wings that you pop out. You place it on your cup like this, beans, whatever you need to go in there that you're going to steep, and then you'll pour like this. The beans, it looks like, will sit in the water level in that cup, so they come, that far down, so they will be sitting in the liquid and they'll continue to seep after you pour. So that's a very cool feature, I think. So I'm a big caffeine and coffee fanatic. This might just go in my car for emergencies when I need it. I've already got a couple other things in there, like a stove, some charcoal, things like that. So I think this is going to be a great addition to car camping and road tripping, being able to pull this out, getting fueled up with caffeine or making some sort of, tea before bed, even just heating up for hot chocolate when the weather is cold. So looking forward to trying this out on road trips and some of my car camping. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.